Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm going to show you some settings to fix high CPU usage FPS drops while recording in OBS Studio on low-end PC. So, without further delay, let's get it started. First, open your OBS Studio. Here in the right bottom, click on Settings. This will open OBS Settings window. Here, on the left side menu, click on Output. Here in Output mode, choose Advanced, and then choose Recording, and type I choose Standard. Here I choose where to save the video I recorded. In Recording Format, choose MP4 or MOV, and Video Encoder, choose X264 or NVIDIA option. And Audio Encoder, choose FF-MPEG AAC. Do not open the option to rescale output, and leave it same as these two fields. In Rate Control, choose CBR, and in Bitrate, put 6000 kbps if your computer is weak or average. If your computer has good specifications, put 12,000 kbps. And in Keyframe Interval, set 0. And in CPU Usage preset, put Very Fast. And in Profile, put High. And in Tune, put 0 Latency. Here, in X264 option, put this code. You can find this code in video description. Just copy and paste it. Now, go to the Video option. Here, in the Base Resolution, put the value same as the screen resolution that you are using. Output resolution, put same. Here in the downscale filter, I choose Langsos Sharpened Scaling 36 samples. Here in the common FPS values, put 60 frames per second or 30 frames per second. Now go to Advanced option. Here, Process Priority, choose Above Normal. And here and all, no need to select or change anything. Here in the color range, choose Full. Now, if you have completed all these steps, just click on Apply, then click on OK. Now, if you getting this error, just go to Output option again. Here, click on Streaming and Audio Encoder, select as FF-MPEG AAC. Now, click on Apply, then click on OK. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, comment below about your thoughts and questions. Also, hit like and share, and subscribe for more.